Welcome to StreetMotoZ. This is Mike. We're in Columbia, South Carolina, and I'll be taking you on a motorcycle journey. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I just started riding motorcycles 1 month and 4 days ago. My first time on a motorcycle was at the Harley-Davidson Riding Academy beginner course in Greenville, South Carolina. Again, that was 1 month and 4 days ago. And that was a great course. Had a couple of great instructors, Rodney and Rod, and we got to ride for 2 days, all day long, 2 days. And started with putting a key in the motorcycle and starting it up, learning how to shift these gears and go around the course. It was a really good learning experience. I'd recommend it for anybody that is wanting to learn how to ride motorcycles, find out a lot about yourself and about motorcycles. But I'm starting up this video on YouTube to kind of talk about my journey through motorcycle riding and how I see things from my level, from a beginner level. I am a beginner. There's a lot to learn. It is totally different than driving a car, guaranteed. You're using both hands, both feet, turning your head around, and you have to watch out for everything. You have to be really aware of your environment. But I want to take you on this journey, and this video is going to kick off this YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoy. I hope to, this is Lake Murray, by the way, Lake Murray Dam. Beautiful, nice weather out here. But this YouTube video series, hope to journal my experiences, pass on some information, tell you a little bit about myself, what's going on, share some information. Hope to learn from many of you guys too, because I got a lot to learn. About 3 weeks ago, I purchased this Ninja 650 and KRT edition. It looks awesome. Rides, it's fun. It's got all the muscle I need right now. It's a joy to drive. It drives really nice. It rides nice. It's fun. It's not too uncomfortable to ride. But I'll talk about that too, and I hope to make some more videos for you guys soon. So subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Mike out. Still got my Dragonfly, buddy.